Hi, Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And Knox and I, my 4-year-old, are working a lot on composing numbers. And today we're thinking about the number 5. And we've been playing lots of games with the number 5, including this one. Knox, can you show them how to play this one? This is called Pom Pom Drop. Knox, how many pom-poms do you have in your set?
4. And 4 inside and 1 outside.
4 inside and 1 outside. How many does that make all together?
5.
5. Okay, let's write that down. We have 5 total. We can make it with 4 and 1. Oh my gosh. Okay, do it again. Let's see if we get it. Get your Lego guy out of the way.
Okay. I didn't recognize he got here.
You didn't recognize he got there. He likes to do math too. Okay, climb up on your chair. He's got 5 pom-poms in his hand. How many are gonna land in? How many in?
And 3 out.
2 in and 3 out. Hey, we've got that one recorded right here. Awesome. Do you want to do it one more time and show everybody? Maybe we'll get a different combination this time. Let's check it out. What'd you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out and 0 in.
5 out and 0 in. Should we record that too? So we have the number 5, and we can think of that as 5 out and 0 in. Knox, there are lots of ways to make the number 5. Thanks for playing with me.